So you're on your driving test. Everything's going to plan. Fantastic. But what happens if it doesn't go to plan and you make a silly mistake? What should you do at that point? The answer is, don't panic. Don't panic about the fact that you made a mistake, or you think you've made a mistake, or maybe you know you've made a mistake, but don't panic about it. Just keep yourself concentrating on what you should be doing now, going forward. Because that mistake's happened, you can't change it. But the amount of people I speak to who have made a mistake, and they're thinking about it, and they're dwelling on that mistake, and before they know it, they've done something stupid afterwards, like speeding, or going around the corner and the examiner has to slow down for them with the brakes because they're not concentrating. So keep an eye on what you're doing. If you make a mistake, it happens in real life, so don't worry about it. And just keep saying to yourself, I'm fine, nothing's happened, I'm okay, concentrate on what I'm doing, check my mirrors, check my speeds, make sure I'm doing everything fine. Okay? Good luck on the driving test, and remember, what you might think is a serious mistake could only be a minor mistake, or it might be nothing. I've had people who said to me, oh well, I didn't check the mirrors a couple of times and I've got no faults for the mirrors. Maybe the examiner missed it. Okay, good luck, safe driving, and go and pass that driving test.